Morning students. Today we'll start with module 3 of the factorization, that is exercise 4.4. Last class we have done 4.3, today we'll do 4.4 and 4.5. Okay, before that I want to give you one other same information. You copy down your work, don't keep your work pending, or else you'll be having problem afterwards. After school is opened, I'll be checking each and every copy what I've done with the module and the exercises also. I'll be checking. Today, see what I've done, that exercise 4.4, the factorize of trinomial. This is basically the form of ax square plus bx plus c. This is the form equal to 0. Actually, this is the form of what quadratic equation. In the higher classes, that means in class 9 10, you will be doing this part. Now, and this is a middle term factor also we have done. That middle term factor in class 8 also you have done. How to do? See, y square plus 7y minus 18. These are constant part. See how to break this middle part. See, I made 9 minus 2. Why? See, I have written over here that 18 equals to 1 into 18, 3 into 6, 2 into 9. By taking this number only, addition and subtraction only, then from here only I have taken what? See, addition and subtraction, after doing this one only you can get this value only. Subtraction, addition, suppose if it is given over here 11, suppose it is given, suppose I'm taking example just y square plus 11 y minus 18, then what should I have done? Y square plus 9 minus 2 y minus 18, then y square plus what will be opening? See, 9 plus 2 is coming what? 11. 9y plus 2y minus 18. Understood? I hope you have understood this part. Okay, this plus minus will be on basis of this number only. Okay, and the rest of the thing, here I have opened this bracket, opening over 9 into y will be 9y, minus 2 into y will be minus 2y. Then from here, these are how many part is coming? 1 2 3 4 term is coming. I'll take 2 pair, and from there I'll take out the common. From here I can take y common, so I've taken the y common, plus 9, and there will be 2 common, will be y. But here see, you have to check the minus into plus will be what will be minus, and after doing this step you'll see that this part and this part will be the same value. If it is not coming, that means your sum is wrong. From here, see, from fourth term it is coming, say 2 terms, 1 term and 2 term. From these 2 terms, y plus 9 is common and y minus 2 is taken, y minus and 2 written over here. This is the final answer made in the box. Okay, here also done the same question only. See, the 2x square minus x minus 6, these are how we have taken. See, in the last part here no number was given over here, but here it is given what? 2 and 6. Then from this kind of question, 2 into 6 will be what? 12. Now you break the 12. See, I broken the 12 from here. 3 into 4, 2 into 6, and 1 into 12. Now from here I have to make, after addition or subtraction, I have to make it 1. Now from here if I take 4 minus c, see, 4 minus c, it can be coming 1. Then from here minus 4x, it will be plus 3x minus 6. Then from here, see how many terms are there? 1 2 3 4 is coming. Again, you from the fourth term take 2 pairs. From the 2 pairs you take the common. See, from these 2 pairs I have taken the 2x common, and here also nothing is going common, that means 3 is going common. Now from here, see, again this value and this value is coming, that means these sums I have done correct only. Okay, again this how many terms? See, 1 term and this is 2 term. These both the terms, this part and this part is common. See, x minus 2 and 2x minus c is given over. The final answer I made in the box. I hope you've understood this part. This is very important part, and these things we have done in class 8 also. Okay, just you go through once this properly, pause your video and see 1 or 2 times or 3 times. Okay, next part. Next, what I have done, one question is given that x minus y whole square minus 6 in bracket x minus y plus 5. See, it is very difficult, but it is the form of what? Ax square plus bx plus c. But see, here it is given what in the bracket, and this kind of question, when you will find out, you just nothing to worry, just these kind of questions This you take as any of the variable. See, I've taken what? X. Let x minus y equals to a. Then you will see now it is coming in the form of that one. It will be now easy to solve it also. See, now from here, what is the factor of 5? 5 into 1, only one factor. Then means what? 5 plus 1, I can make it easily 6. No, this will be 5. This will be 5 plus 1 in bracket a plus this one. See, 5 plus 1 is coming 6. Then what? After opening the bracket, see 5a minus a plus 5. Again, I've taken common from here. A I've taken common. And again from here, nothing is going common. I can take 1. But here, one more problem is that, see, minus into minus is plus. That means we have to be very careful about taking this minus, means this value common. You have to check back also. See, minus into minus is coming plus. Okay, suppose now some students might be doing wrong also, if didn't plus over here, but minus plus will be over with minus, but here is given plus, then minus minus is plus. That means what? This is 5 minus 5. Okay, next from here, this part and this part is coming common. Again, I am taking this one at the common part. Again, at the last, what it been putting the value of a, x minus y minus 5 and x minus y minus 1. Okay, hope you've understood. See what I have done over here. See, this will be what? 4x minus 5y, and this will be what? A square plus a into b plus 5y whole square. See, I have written over. See, this formula I have written over here. Now after calculating, see what is coming? 16x square minus 20. This will be minus. Okay, this will be minus 16x square minus 20xy plus 25. This will be plus. Why? We know that formula is coming what? Plus only, and this will be 25y square. And the next part, same thing. This question also same part. What is given? See, in this kind of question, I broken this 2 in 1 plus 1. Why? See, as because I'm just after this one arranging this one. See, x cube plus 1 and x plus 1 I can write down. From here, x cube plus 1 whole cube means what? 1 only. See, now we are forming the formula of that a cube plus b cube formula. A cube plus b cube formula. Clear? Then from here, put the formula in that formula only. Now see, from here, this is coming one part. This is the first term and this is the second term. Again, from this two part, I have taken x plus 1 as common. See, x plus 1 has taken common, and what is the remaining? X square minus x plus 1, and from here taken out, what is coming? Plus 1. Then x square minus x plus 2 is the answer. This is the final answer. Okay. Next is coming C. What is coming C? X to the power 2 plus y to the power 5. Sorry, x to the power 5. From here, what I have taken? X square I have taken common. I have taken x square common. Now from here, see, if I take x square common, see what is the remaining over here? X plus x cube. Then x 1 plus x cube. From here 1 I can make it at cube, as because we know 1 cube value will be 1 only. Okay, now from here x whole cube written. Now a cube plus b cube formula. A plus b, a square. A square means what? Minus a into b plus b square. Then from here also, then again see, the value 1 square will be 1 minus x plus x square. I hope you have understood this part properly. Do your work on time. Don't keep your work pending. Okay, otherwise you will be in trouble. You'll be pending your work. It will be just piling up like a mountain, and you'll be having problem. Who have the copy, you copy, do it in the copy only, and revise, and the old chapters also revise. The revision is very important. Okay, till date, have a nice day, stay safe. I hope all are enjoying your online classes, and be very attentive. Not my class also, other class, those the teachers are taking the other online classes also, you have to be very attentive. Okay, goodbye, have a nice day.